This video teaches you how to create and send a mail merge using Google Sheets. Navigate to https://docs.google.com using a web browser. Click the icon with 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner. This displays the menu. Click Sheets. This opens Google Sheets. Click Blank Spreadsheet. Create headers for your contact information. Enter your contact information below the appropriate headers. Installing the Mail Merge add-on. Navigate to Extensions. Click Add-ons. Click Get Add-ons. Type Mail. Merge in the search bar and press Enter. Open yet another mail merge. Select your primary Google account. Scroll down and click Allow. Add-ons is now installed. Creating an email template. Navigate to https://mail.google.com in a web browser. Click Compose. Leave the recipient's line blank. Type a subject. Type a message. If you want to address the recipient by their first name, you would type something like hello angle bracket in the email message. This will pull the contact's name from the email. Open the spreadsheet with your contact information. Click Extensions. Click Yet Another Mail Merge. Type your name. Use the line next to Sender Name to type your name. Select the email template you created. Click the drop-down menu next to Email Template and select the subject line that corresponds with the draft you created for your mail merge in Gmail. Click Send Number of Emails. It's the blue button in the lower right corner of the window. This sends an email to all the email addresses below your email header using the email template you selected. You can view a tracking report on the right. You can also select Schedule to send your mail merge at a later time or date. We recommend clicking Send Test Email to send yourself a test email before sending the email to everyone in your spreadsheet. This test email will pull info from the first line of your spreadsheet. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.